Hello, this is Ryan Brown, Solutions Architect with FormFast. This short video clip will highlight FormFast's mobile bedside consent solution, which allows your hospital to capture patient signatures at the point of care, all on a mobile tablet device. For today's demonstration, I will be using an Apple iPad, but we also support Microsoft devices such as the Microsoft Surface Pro. Using tablet technology, your hospital staff can capture patient and witness signatures on informed consents right at the bedside, thus eliminating the need for paper and manual scanning. Informed consents and other documents requiring signature can be launched using the FormFast web portal and also by using the FormFast barcode scanning application to identify a patient by their wristband. The FormFast web portal displays a list of patients that the hospital employee has access to view, along with a list of forms and packets of forms on the left-hand side. Users and groups can be assigned filters and locations to customize and secure their access to both patients and forms. Each user is also able to save commonly used forms as a favorite so that they appear at the top of the job tree. I am currently logged in as Abigail Lockhart, who is a specialty surgeon at our hospital. She has a filter in place that only displays the patients that are assigned to her. Dr. Lockhart is able to use the location dropdown to view the other areas in the hospital, but she is not able to see the patients assigned to other physicians. Dr. Lockhart also has marked her commonly used liver biopsy consent form as a favorite for easy access. I will now log out as Dr. Lockhart and log in as Carol Green, a nurse at our hospital, to show her filters. Carol is assigned to the third floor, and when she logs into the FormFast web portal, those patients are automatically displayed to her. Carol has also been given permissions to other areas in the hospital, and they are all displayed in her location drop-down list. Carol can view the patients on the second floor north by selecting that wing in the location drop-down field, and the patients located there will be updated automatically. Bringing up a consent for signature is quick and simple. Carol will first select a patient, such as Ryan Brown, and then select any of the forms or packets of forms to be signed. Carol will select the informed consent and also the HIPAA acknowledgement form for Ryan to sign. Once selected, you click on Sign at the top to launch our mobile capture client. Patient data such as Ryan's demographics will be merged directly onto the form surface from your EMR, thus streamlining form completion. The patient is able to scroll up and down to view the 2 pages of this document. Fields can be optional, highlighted in blue, or required, highlighted in red, ensuring adherence to your hospital policies. We make it very easy for a patient to fill out these forms electronically. As you can see, we support fillable text fields, checkboxes, and most importantly, signature fields. In this example, Ryan is unable to sign and his brother John will sign on his behalf. I could choose the checkbox that an emergency situation prevented Ryan from signing, and then enter John's name and relationship onto the document using the fillable text fields. John and then Carol, our nurse, can then add their signatures to the document. FormFast will automatically insert the date and timestamp of when a signature has been captured. You will notice that when I click on a signature capture field, the box enlarges to make it very easy to capture a signature. You will also notice that any previously filled out fields and checkboxes are now flattened and locked down to prevent changes from being made after a signature has been captured. In the event of an error, you can very easily click the drop-down menu at the top and choose to clear the form fields. I will now capture Carol's signature as our employee. Finally, John will sign the second page of the HIPAA acknowledgement form. Now that the document has been completed, Carol will click on Done in the upper right corner to archive the document back to the patient's health record. FormFast is exporting the signed documents as a TIFF image file along with the patient's medical record number and account number for your hospital EMR to automatically archive the signed forms under the correct patient record. There is no need to print and scan documents as FormFast will transfer them electronically to the patient record in real time. For security, we will then lock the session and require Carol to enter her PIN before she is taken back to the patient list to gather additional signatures. This feature prevents unauthorized individuals from accessing the patient list. Now that Carol is back in the FormFast web portal, she is able to select additional patients to gather electronic signatures. Or if she is complete, she can click on Sign Out to exit the system. In addition to using the FormFast web portal to select patients for electronic signature, FormFast has a barcode scanning application that makes it very easy for a clinician to scan a patient's wristband and bring up any forms that require signature. The FormFast barcode scanning application utilizes the camera on an iPad. The clinician is able to walk up to the patient and scan the barcode on the wristband to identify the patient. In this example, I will scan Jane Doe's wristband. Once the patient has been identified by the barcode scanning application, Jane's forms requiring signature will load automatically. FormFast supports both one-dimensional and two-dimensional barcodes on wristbands. Carol and Jane are now able to fill out the form electronically, gather Jane's signature, and once complete, archive directly back into the patient's health record. This concludes today's demonstration. If you have any questions or would like to see a more detailed demonstration, please reach out to FormFast and we can schedule a demo for your organization. Thank you.